Everyone, my name is Nokuthula Selamolela. I'm the CEO of Food and Beverages Manufacturing SETA. I am very excited to announce the semi-finalists for 2022. Here they go in no particular order. Craig Sydenham, Sales Director, Coty. Dino Selamolela, Telematics Specialist, Mercedes-Benz, South Africa. Lazola Tutani, Business Team Manager, Continental Tire, South Africa. Lerato Mutswane, Internal Sales Supervisor, Enisa Steel Solutions. Natasha Maharaj, Head of Sales Operations, Revlon, South Africa. Kirsten Lloyd, Head of Trade Marketing, Revlon, South Africa. Sabet Mpahlela Masha, Foundry Business KDS Production Supervisor, Transnet Engineering. Abdul Ayob, Specialist Production, BMW. Kiki Lihodi, Head of Body Operations, BMW. Anthony Antoniadu, Specialist Dealer and Online Channel, BMW. I wish you all the best. May the best candidate win. Thank you.